Okay, good afternoon to one and all. Today we have to discuss the syllabus of the analytical chemistry for this semester 1. Just I am sharing. See, as already I discussed about the papers and the nature and all these things. Okay, and you remember all these things. Again, the 4 units are there. First unit of the analytical chemistry consists of first part is of the 8 lectures, language of analytical chemistry. In that, we have to talk about the analytical perspective, common analytical problems, terms involved in the analytical chemistry, like the analysis, determination, measurement, techniques, methods, procedures, and the protocols. इसके सारे के definitions देने हैं. Then an overview of the analytical methods, types of the instrumental method, instrument for analysis, data domain, electrical and non-electrical domain, detectors, transducers, and sensors, selection of an analytical method, accuracy, precision, selectivity, sensitivity, detection limit, and dynamic range. This parameter again we have to discuss. Errors, determinate and indeterminate errors, types of the determinant errors, tackling of the errors, then quantitative methods of analysis, calibration curve, standard addition and internet standard method. ये सारा पार्ट लास्ट ईयर तक हुआ है दिवाली तक. अगेन वही है रिकैपिचुलेशन करके. देन क्वालिटी इन एनालिटिकल केमिस्ट्री, it is very much important as far as the industry is concerned. जैसे कि इंडस्ट्री में जाना है तो इंडस्ट्री में जाने के लिए ये सारी चीज़ें ज़रूरी होती है, इसलिए ये पार्ट यहाँ पे एनालिटिकल में डाला हुआ है. क्वालिटी मैनेजमेंट सिस्टम जिसे QMS कहा जाता है शॉर्ट में, इवैल्यूएशन एंड सिग्निफिकेशन ऑफ द क्वालिटी मैनेजमेंट, टाइप्स ऑफ द क्वालिटी स्टैंडर्ड फॉर द लैबोरेटरीज, टोटल क्वालिटी मैनेजमेंट, philosophy implementation of the TQM, reference of the Kaizen, Six Sigma approach, and the 5S that we can see in detail. Then the quality audits and the quality reviews, responsibility of the laboratory staff for the quality and the problems. Then safety in the laboratories, basic concept of the safety in laboratories, personal protection and equipment. Then the OSHA, then toxic hazard classification, hazardous chemical processes, including the process calorimetry, thermal buildup concept, then the accreditation of laboratories, introduction to the ISO series, Indian government standard ISI, hallmark, EGMARK, like that. बहुत सी कंपनी आपको पता है कि एक्रेडिटेशन लेती है और लेबल करती है हम ISO एक्रेडिटेड है या ISI मार्क है, हॉलमार्क है, एगमार्क है. ओके, ये सारे जो ब्रांड है, ये जो एक्रेडिटेशन एजेंसी है, इसके बारे में देखना. देन गुड लैबोरेटरी प्रैक्टिसेस जिसे GLP कहा गया है, उसका प्रिंसिपल, देन द ऑब्जेक्टिव्स, देन देयर गाइडलाइंस, FDA के बारे में होगा, दैट वी हैव टू सी. क्वालिटी इन एनालिटिकल केमिस्ट्री 7 लेक्चर्स का है, जस्ट इंट्रोडक्टरी लिटिल बिट लाइक दैट. देन सेकेंड यूनिट जो है आपका, दैट इज बेस्ड ऑन द कैलकुलेशन बेस्ड ऑन द केमिकल प्रिंसिपल. ये केमिकल कैलकुलेशंस TY में भी सारे किए थे, FY से लेके TY तक ये सारे कैलकुलेशंस हो चुके हैं. क्या क्या दिया है, दैट आई विल गो थ्रू फास्ट. कंसंट्रेशन ऑफ द सॉल्यूशन बेस्ड ऑन द वॉल्यूम एंड द मास यूनिट्स, कैलकुलेशन ऑफ ppm ppb एंड डाइल्यूशन ऑफ द सॉल्यूशन, कांसेप्ट ऑफ द मिलीमोल, दैट वी विल सी इन डिटेल अगेन, ये हमने TY में भी देखा है. Then stoichiometry of the chemical reaction, concept of the kilogram mole, limiting reactant, theoretical and practical yield, solubility and solubility equilibria, effect of the presence of the common ion, calculation of the pH of acid, bases, acidic and basic buffers. Then concept of formation of the concept of formation constant, stability and instability constant, stepwise formation constant, and oxidation number, rules for assigning oxidation number, redox reaction in terms of the oxidation number, oxidizing and reducing agent, equivalent weight of the oxidizing reducing agent, stoichiometry of the redox titration, normality of the solution of oxidizing oblique reducing agent and its relationship with the molarity. So one by one we will see. It is again the simple part like the chemical calculation. Here optical methods, unit 3, recapitulation and FT techniques, recapitulation of the basic concept, electromagnetic spectrum, sources, detector, sample, containers. Laser as a source of the radiation, fiber optics that we have to see. Then introduction of the Fourier transform. Yeah, that is in the new part. Okay, Fourier transform, FT. In short, it is called as a FT. molecular ultraviolet and visible spectroscopy, derivation of the Beer-Lambert's law and its limitation. ये तो नया नहीं है, जुना ही है. Factors affecting molecular absorption, types of the transitions. Okay, then types of the transition, then emphasis on the charge transfer absorption, pH, temperature, solvent, and the effect of the substituent. Application of the ultraviolet and visible spectroscopy. अभी ये जो UV visible spectroscopy के applications दिए, okay, on charge transfer absorption, simultaneous spectroscopy, derivative spectroscopy. Dual spectroscopy जो है उसका introduction, principal instrument, application that we are see. Then infrared absorption spectroscopy. Okay, its sources, sample, instrumentation में sources, sample handling, transducers, dispersive, non-dispersive instruments. FTIR and its advantages, then application of the IR, mid IR, near IR, and far IR in the qualitative with emphasis on the fingerprint region, quantitative analysis, advantages and limitations of the IR, introduction on the and basic principle of diffuse reflectance spectroscopy. That we will see one by one. Very simple it is. Then the thermal methods, reapplication of the type of the thermal methods, comparison between PGA and DTA, ये same था. Okay. डिफरेंशियल स्कैनिंग कैलोरीमेट्री, ये जो था DSC टीवाई में था नहीं, तो यहाँ पे प्रिंसिपल कंपैरिजन ऑफ द DTA एंड DSC, इंस्ट्रूमेशन, ब्लॉक डायग्राम, नेचर ऑफ द DSC कर्व, फैक्टर्स अफेक्टिंग द कर्व, सैंपल साइज, सैंपल शेप, प्रेशर, एप्लीकेशन, हीट ऑफ रिएक्शन, स्पेसिफिक हीट, सेफ्टी स्क्रीनिंग, then the polymers, liquid crystals, percentage crystallinity, oxidative stability, drug analysis, magnetic transition, like that. Then the automation in the chemical analysis, need for automation, objectives of the automation, then an overview of the automated instruments and the instrumentation, process control analysis, flow injection analysis, discrete automated system, automatic analysis based on the multi-layered films, gas monitoring equipments, automatic titrators. ये automation the chemical analysis ये नया part है. अभी automation in the chemical analysis आपको पता है कि ऑटोमेटिक रुकना चाहिए, जैसे कि टाइट्रेशन कर रहे हैं आप लोग, बराबर, और एंड पॉइंट आ गया है तो इट हैज टू ऑटोमेटिकली स्टॉप, कि टोटल वॉल्यूम जो आपके बीकर में का है दैट हैज बीन कंज्यूम, तो उसके बाद में इट हैज टू ऑटोमेटिकली okay. This part we have to see for this semester. These are the 4 units. Okay. ज़्यादा जो सिंपल है that part we will try to focus more. जो complicated है that we will avoid that part. As far as the exam is concerned, we will try to do the less study and we will try to score the good marks, right? That will be our aim. Physical notes I will share with you on the WhatsApp group, first unit, okay? And then we will, as far as the another unit is getting to me, then I will circulate with you. Analytical I am trying to get. जैसे आते हैं वैसे नोट्स लिखना चालू करो, 4 नोटबुक बनाओ. There should be the 4 separate notebooks.